Canon FS300 silver. Let's open it up. Got it at Best Buy for $239, price matched. I've tested it at Best Buy and I really like it. Pop. Now we can, I gotta set the camera down to pop open the box. Pop open the box. Okay.
Don't tear the box.
I'm not. Okay, here we go. FS300. We got the Pixela image mixer and the booklets and stuff on it, even though I already know how to use it, so I don't think all that's necessary. And we have the charger plug-in strap, and right here we have the camera, and we have the cables, and right here's the battery, if I'm not mistaken. No, that's the charger, and here is the battery. So I'm going, that's a small battery, dude. So I'm going to open this up,
No.
switch memory cards,
No,
out.